In this video, I will share with you how to add product recommendations during checkout in Hostinger website builder. And if you click on add to bag, these recommended products will be automatically added to the shopping bag. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. Click on your, next to your website built using Hostinger website builder. Click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and to add product recommendations in the shopping bag, it's simple. Just switch from website builder to manage store. Then click on settings and scroll down to checkout, not shipping. Now below shopping bag settings, check or enable this box next to show additional product suggestions in shopping bag. After that, click on save, updates saved. Now I will open my website in a different tab. Then go to store, click on a product, add to bag, and now the shopping bag starts recommending other products during the checkout process. And if I click on add to bag, it will be automatically added to the bag, or the shopping cart or shopping bag. It's the same. Now let's see how to select those recommended products manually. Just go back to checkout. Now click on manage category. Here you will see all the available products on your store. Let's say I want to, for example, promote this digital gift card. I will place it first. This sweater, and also these sunglasses. Place them the top three or the first three products and hit save. Now I will refresh this page. And when I click add to bag, now the first recommended products is the digital gift card, and the next one is the sweater, and the last one is the sunglasses. This is how to add product recommendations during the checkout process in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.